Good morning everyone. I am Hafni, she is Ishana and she is Ria. We are the Let's Go Eco-Friendly team. We are studying in Excel Public School, Mysuru, Karnataka in grade 7. We have chosen the Environment and Sustainability theme and we have developed a solution to make every citizen in India adopt an environmentally friendly lifestyle. Plastic waste has become a significant source of pollution in India, but the country is struggling to find an alternative to single-use plastics and establish an effective waste management system. Single-use plastic products may epitomize convenience, but with the damage they cause through production, distribution and litter, they are a major threat to environmental and human health. Eliminating plastic pollution is an important concern in today's world.
Most shoppers forget to carry their own cloth bags, though they are aware of the impacts of single use plastic bags. Out of necessity, they pick up single use plastic bags from vegetable vendors and shops.
We conducted a survey among Excel Public School students, Excel Public School teachers, Excel Soft employees, a yoga instructor, Excel Public School bus drivers, and a few local people of Mysore.
When we approach people regarding their opinion of creating plastic free world,
Based on the survey, we designed a touch sensor based smart pouch which reminds the shoppers to carry their cloth bag along with them. The pouch not only carries a cloth bag but also other essentials such as steel spoon, steel straw, a cloth napkin which are attached with the touch sensors.
The pouch is waterproof as it is designed with V-Wax wrap that is reusable and sustainable alternative to plastic wrap and single-use plastic. The pouch has a hidden circuitry which includes Arduino real-time clock.
We have used DS3231 real-time clock where we have set the alarm for one particular time. The alarm rings whenever the touch sensor fails to detect the touch at the alarm set time.
when the alarm starts ringing, the user is reminded to make sure that all the essential things which we carry daily are put into the pouch. If one of the things is missing, the user needs to pack it back, and then the alarm stops ringing.
The pouch is cost effective and can fit in backpacks, handbags, two-wheelers and cars. If people remember to carry a reusable cloth bag, the amount of single-use plastic can be reduced. If the demand for single-use plastic gets reduced, the supply will also be reduced. The three of us came up with the idea of designing a touch sensor-based smart pouch. We worked together for the coding.
With the help of school attendant,
We stitched the pouch and also installed the circuitry to the pouch.